In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Salesforce report bucket fields. Bucket fields in Salesforce reports are an incredibly useful tool that can help you group, segment, and analyze your data more effectively without needing complex formulas or separate report types. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can create these fields, step by step. First things first, we'll start our journey right within Salesforce. Head over to the Reports tab, which you'll find conveniently located at the top corner of your interface. Go ahead and give it a click to gain access to the Reports homepage, your central hub for all things reporting. Now that you've landed on the Reports page, your next move is to locate a report that you'd like to tweak by adding bucket fields. This can be any existing report where you think bucket fields will enhance your ability to categorize data or illuminate insights more clearly. After opening your chosen report, consider which column would benefit from bucketing. Think carefully about the type of grouping that will provide the insights you're seeking. It might be a column displaying different product categories, various regions, or even sales figures, for instance. Once you've pinpointed your column of interest, keep an eye out for a small drop-down arrow adjacent to the column name. Clicking this drop-down reveals a menu. From this menu, select the option that invites you to bucket this column. This step is where it all starts to get exciting. You'll need to give your new bucket field a name. Choosing a descriptive name reflecting the purpose or content of the buckets you're about to create is important. This approach ensures you and anyone else viewing the report can quickly grasp what this field represents. With the basics laid down, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start creating buckets. Click on the Add Bucket button to initiate this process. Each bucket you create requires a name that captures the essence of the group of values it will contain. Whether you're grouping customers by size, sales by range, or products by type, clear and concise naming is essential. It's worth noting that if you stumble upon some values that seem better fit for a different bucket during setup, fear not. You can simply utilize the Move to option. This handy feature lets you easily shift values between existing buckets or even create new ones on the fly, which is incredibly useful for ensuring your groupings accurately mirror the insights you want to present. Finally, once you are satisfied with your bucket field and all the individual buckets within it, go ahead and click on that Apply button. This action saves your diligent work and seamlessly integrates the bucket field into your report. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bucket field to your Salesforce report, unlocking a whole new dimension of intuitive data analysis. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for joining me, and happy reporting.